Exercise 12.3, question number 9 to 12. Question number 9. A, B and CD are two diameters of a circle. A, B and CD are two diameters of a circle with center O perpendicular to each other, and OD is the diameter of the circle, smaller circle. If OA is equal to 7 centimeter, OA is equal to 7 centimeter, find the area of the shaded region. You have to find the area of this region and these two regions. The method is, here we can just add area of the smaller circle. Then what about this? How can you find this? Here what you have to do is find the area of the semicircle and minus the area of the triangle from that. So the required area is equal to area of the smaller circle plus area of the semicircle minus area of the triangle. Area of the smaller circle plus area of the semicircle minus area of the triangle. So area of the smaller circle, formula is pi r square. What is r here? What is given? OD. OD is given as 7. So OD is given as 7 by 2 because the total length is 7. The radius full length is 7. So OD is given as 7 by 2. So it is equal to 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. OD is given as not 7 by 2, it is 7. OD is given as 7 centimeter. Because OA is 7, OC is 7, OD is 7 and OB is 7. Because that is the, OD is the diameter of the smaller circle and OA is given as 7 centimeter. So OD is also equal to 7 centimeter. But the radius of that smaller circle is 7 by 2. So pi r square is equal to 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2, which is equal to 38.5 centimeter square. Next is area of the semicircle. What is the radius of the semicircle? OA is given as 7 centimeter. OA is given as 7 centimeter. So that is the radius. So that is equal to half into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. Half into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. Answer is 77 centimeter square. So then area of the triangle. Area of the triangle is, area of this triangle is equal to half BH. B is AB and H is OC. So we can write this as half into, what is AB? 14, 7 plus 7, 14. 14 into OC is 7. So what is the answer? Answer is 49 centimeter square. You can cancel these two and 7 sevens are 49. Then what do you have to find actually? We have to find the area of the shaded region. That is equal to 38.5 plus area of the semicircle plus 77 minus 49, which you can find. So area of the required or area of the shaded portion is equal to area of the circle plus area of the circle plus area of the semicircle minus area of the triangle. So we are getting this as 38.5 plus 77 minus 49, which you can find. Next question, 10th question. The area of an equilateral triangle ABC is 17,320.5. Area of the equilateral triangle is given. With each vertex of the triangle as center, a circle is drawn with radius equal to half the length of the side of the triangle. And 3 circles are drawn taking each vertex as a center, and the radius is given as half the length of the triangle. Then find the area of the shaded region. How can you find the area of the shaded region? area of this full triangle minus area of 3 sectors. Area of the triangle minus area of 3 sectors. So, what is given? Area of the triangle is given. So, it is an equilateral triangle. So, the formula is root 3 by 4a square. Root 3 by 4a square is 17,320.5 centimeter square. So, from here we can find a. A square is equal to 4 into, we are taking 4 to other side, and the value of root 3 is they have given 1.73205, which I have written here. Then we have to solve this. So, denominator is a decimal number. So, we have to eliminate the denominator. How many decimal places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, you have to multiply by 10 raised to 5 into 10 raised to 5, and numerator also into 10 raised to 5. So, what we are getting is 4 into 173,205 into 10 raised to 4 divided by 173,205. We can cancel off these two and we are getting it as 4 into 10 raised to 4. That means 4 and how many zeros? 4 zeros. So, what about A? A is equal to 200 centimeter. So, we got A as 200 centimeter. Then what is the diameter or radius of the radius? Equal to half the length of the side. So, length of the side we got as 200 meter. So, what about the radius? Half of 200. Radius is equal to 200 by 2, which is equal to 100 centimeter. So, how can you find this? Area of the triangle minus area of 3 sectors. Area of the triangle is given. So, required area is equal to 17320.5 minus 3 into theta by 360 into pi r square. It is an equilateral triangle. So, theta is always equal to 60 degree. So, which is equal to 17320.5 minus 3 into 60 divided by 360 into 22 by 7 into 100 into 100. So, when you solve this, you will get this as 1620.5 centimeter square. So, this is easy. Area of the equilateral triangle minus 3 area of sector. 3 times area of a sector, which we are getting this as 1620.5 centimeters square. Next, 11th question. On a square handkerchief, 9 circular designs of each of radius 7 centimeter are made. Find the area of the remaining portion of the handkerchief. So, a rectangle. So, what do you have to find? 9 circular designs are given. Find the area of the remaining portion. So, it is clearly area of the rectangle minus area of 9 circles. Then, what is given? The radius as given as 7. So, what about the length and breadth of the rectangle? So, here 7, this much 7, again 7, again 7. So, 7, 7, 7. So, how many 7s? 21. What about the breadth? Same way, 7, 7, 7. So, it is a square. So, this is equal to, it is given as radius is given as 7. Radius is given as 7. Diameter is 14. This is also 14. This is also 14. Radius is given as 7. I have taken the diameter first as 7. That is wrong. The radius is 7. So, diameter is 14. So, how many times 14? 14 plus 14 plus 14. So, the length is 14 into 3. 42. What about the breadth? Breadth is also is equal to 42. So, area of the rectangle 42 into 42 minus 9 into pi r square, which is equal to 2764 minus 9 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7, which you can find. you have to find. Next 12th question. OACB is a quadrant of a circle with center O and radius 3.5 centimeter. OACB is a quadrant of a circle with center O and radius 3.5. That means OA is equal to 3.5 and OB is equal to 3.5 and OD is given as 2 centimeter. Find area of the quadrant. Area of the quadrant means this pulley you have to find. You have to find this pulley. What is the formula? Theta by 360 into pi r square. It is a quadrant of a circle, so it is 90 degree. So we can write this as 90 divided by 360 into 22 by 7 into, what about the radius? It is equal to 3.5 into 3.5, which you will get as 19.25 divided by 2. divided by 2. So next is area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region means this part you have to find. How can you find this part? Total this area of the quadrant minus area of the triangle. Area of the quadrant minus area of the triangle. We can use half BH here. Already we got the area of the quadrant. What is the area of the quadrant? 19.25 divided by 2 minus half BH, because this is given as 90 degree. This is 90 degree, so half into OB into OD. Half into OB into OD, which is equal to 19.25 divided by 2 minus, what is OB? OB is 3.5. Half into 3.5 into, what is OD? OD is 2, which you are getting as 19.25. What is 19 divided by 2? 9.625 minus 3.5. You can cancel both 2's, which you can find.